cool. Recording has started. Thank you, Dustin. Appreciate that. It's been a long weekend. Cool. All right. Okay, so let's go to the next one. See, because just like on the exam, there was a series of these. And if you messed up the first one, I'm sorry, there was a hand up there. Sorry about that. Yes, please.
So find that percentage, you subtract 120 from 100.
The starting number is, you take the new number divided by the old number. Okay, so the 120 minus 100. Okay, and then that gives you 20.
Divide 20 by 100.
That's right. Okay, now I guarantee there were 10 other people that appreciate that. Billy, yes. Huh? No, that was just the point formula. I think it said on that one to use the point formula. Let me go back to it. Where are we? There we go. Show. Yeah, use the point formula. Okay, now even if you use the other formula, you probably wouldn't get very close to 1, the next closest answer. Okay, so when in doubt, pick the closest one. But if you picked the formula, you'd have gotten 1.7 or something like that. It's a wild guess. See, one of the things to do with these questions is to say, yeah, it says use the point formula. There was another formula. That maybe what he'll do to re-ask this question is to just change the word point to midpoint. Busy people do that. I'd have to change the answers to put a correct one in there. Okay, but you'll see from some of the other questions, oh yeah, I remember that one on the test. Yeah, it was a little different. Yeah, I'm not about trying to get you to memorize things like old answers when we went over them in class. I'm interested in you reviewing them, thinking about them, working through them, figuring out why the answer was the answer. And so when I throw you a little bit of a curveball, a slightly reworded question, same concept, no problem. All right, thank you for that, Billy. Double checking that. I wasn't 100% sure that that's what had happened, or that I had that in there, but pretty sure. Okay, so here's the next one. All right, same data. Okay, so what's the total? Again, if you mess this up, what were you doing? Memorizing something you didn't understand? Okay, again, I'm not doing this, otherwise I'd be doing this. I'm asking you, literally, what did you do in order to not get this one right if you missed it? What could you do? And we're not going to spend the whole period on this. And I'm trying to get you to do the difference between professionals and those just going on for the ride. Okay, studying what went wrong, making sure it doesn't go wrong again. Well, I didn't hardly speak much over the weekend, but my voice seems to have been left behind. All right, so 10 times 100 is 1,000. Okay, that's the old equilibrium. Okay, so that's answer B if you multiplied the wrong things. The right answer is answer A. Now, part of this is, there's several answered choices here. Maybe I could narrow it down by getting the concept. What's the concept here? Elasticity. Okay, so based on the elasticity, the previous answer, though 2, what should you expect to happen if the price falls with price elastic demand? You should expect the revenue. Okay, because price elastic demand means a big change in quantity for a small change in price. Okay, so you got to think through that. Okay, but verification. Okay, price goes down to 9, quantity goes up to 120, 9 times 120, that's the 1,080. Okay, but if you'd just done the price elasticity thing and thought it through, you wouldn't even. Right, the 1,000 is if the elasticity is unitary. You're scratching your head. What is unitary? Another learn from mistake thing. You should know what unitary elastic demand is. Okay, it's something that came up several times. It should not trip you up. You should know. Okay, and it isn't something that I should have had to say because, there it is, black and white in the book. Now, you might have said, Doc, what does unitary elastic mean? Oh, then, absolutely, I should clarify that for you. But it means that if means that the quantity change and the price change are the same. That's the only way you can get elasticity of 1, which means that the revenue won't change if you change the price. Right? If the price goes up 10% and the quantity goes down 10%, they're going to cancel each other out. No change in revenue. Okay, again, the point of all of this is to get you to ponder what you should or shouldn't be doing the next time around. Okay, get some extra credit for improvement.